everybody!
Hi everybody!
So today we're going to be unboxing these. So what we got is these are like 5 mini brands. We got 4 of these. So we got the Fruity mini brands. We got just mini brands.
Yeah.
It's nice and gold. We got some more mini brands.
That's kind of looks like chips.
Yeah. And we got 5 different toys.
Yeah, let's see. Let me see.
Yeah. So, what do you want to box first, Milana?
I will open this one.
Okay, you open this one. I'll open this one. So, let me just remove this tag. So, how you do it is just peel this.
I already know that. This.
Okay, peel it.
Yeah, I did it.
I haven't opened these ones in like forever.
Yeah.
Look how nice the patterns are.
Yeah.
Black and white.
But what should I do?
So, how you're gonna open it is these are the little compartments. Just do that.
Okay.
Okay, I opened it.
Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
But how do I open it?
So you see these little buttons. Gotta.
Yay.
So let's peel that one off.
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful.
I know.
A butterfly.
Yeah, let's put it over here. Okay. So let's see. I think you're supposed to put it over here.
I think there's a fairy.
Yeah, she's a fairy.
So beautiful. Fairies are my favorite. Next one.
See? Yeah. Ooh. So it looks like that you got these. And you also got, oh, these are adorable. I hope we could get one of these. They're like so cute.
I hope so.
And another one.
I will open this one.
Okay. Yeah.
Yay.
Do you need help?
Wait, I think I got it. Yes! I got it. Oh, this is what I wanted.
It's like a little ducky. I think it's a duck in like a cute little pink cone. And your favorite color is pink, so this is like perfect. Let's put it over here.
I'm going to get into.
This is kind of hard to open.
Yeah. I got it. And I get.
Oh, it's a little ring. My fingers are kind of big. So
I guess that's good for me.
okay, what did you get? Oh, these are so cute.
I really want those.
Me too. Let's hope we get one of those. Ooh, and look, I guess you could also make like a bracelet with these. That's so cool. Okay, now it's time to open this. It's like the fruity one. Ooh.
Yeah. What did I get?
Oh, so good. It's like a little pasta.
Cool.
Yummy. I'm gonna open this one.
I want to open this one.
Ooh, ooh, what's this?
Oh, what happened? Oh, it's a cute little drink.
Look at this, guys. It's like smoothie juice is a bowl.
And it looks like
put it over here. Looks so good. And look at this. It's like chicken nuggets. Yeah. So good. It's like
Okay,
nuggets.
let's open this one. Let's see what we get.
What did you get? Ooh, this looks so good. I don't know what it is though.
I think it's a chicken nugget.
No, I don't think this is chicken nuggets. It's sauce. Can you open this? Oops, you can. Then this might be the last one. What is
I
it?
cannot do it.
Let me help you.
So sorry.
Okay, look. Ooh, pretzels.
Yeah, I never
So
tried
good.
that.
I never tried any pretzels either.
Anina, I wanna open this one. Mom.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you gotta peel this.
So this one is a nice and golden one.
Yeah, gold is my favorite.
Yeah.
And
Let me help you.
Okay. Let's see what's in the gold one.
Okay. It's so nice. Feel that?
Yay!
It's like an orange. Look. Ooh. You build it.
Cool. I don't know how to build this, but
So there's instructions. Oh, it's like a table. Let me try this. I don't know how this works. I think I'm gonna have to do it later.
yeah, let's open the next one. Yay! Yeah, got it.
So we got this. Let me see. It's blue almonds, roasted and salted.
Let's see if we can. Oh,
You can't open it.
I guess we can just 10.
It looks so good. I like almonds,
I don't
especially
know.
salted.
Well,
So
I
good.
don't know orange. Ooh.
What's this? What's a little box? Jambalaya. I don't
We
know
have
if I
one
spell
more.
it right.
Oh yeah, we have another one.
So-
I hope we get those ones. These ones are real.
I don't think we'll get those.
Yeah.
Okay, what did we get? What is this? Bacon! I love bacon.
Me too. Right. Got it. Ooh.
Ooh, what's this? Sharp cheddar. It feels just like cheddar. Like there is cheddar in there.
Stop. I gotta see. Ooh.
Oh, I wish we got chips. Ooh, let me look at these. We could like check them. So looks like we got. You could get Lunchables. Ooh.
We can get that. What is that?
Oh yeah, hot dogs.
Oh, I think this is chips.
Ooh, we got this. We got the sharp cheddar.
There's one more.
Wait, we have one more?
Yeah, one more.
Oh yeah, we have one more ball. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one. Okay, so this one is there's chips. Let's hope we could get chips. I really hope we could get chips.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do this because usually it's really hard. So do it.
Yay.
Little.
Now. Yay. Now I want to open some, okay? I'll open it now.
Good.
Ooh.
What did you get? We got dried organic mango. Oh, I love mango. And I actually did try dried mango. It was so good.
That was funny. And this time you can open it.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, let's see. Another one.
By the same brand. Raisins. Ooh, yummy.
I We tried raisins before, right?
Mm-hmm. Let's see what we got. What is this? Alright, so what we got was Hawaiian Tropical Dark Tanning. Ooh, I'm sure.
Anita, this time it's your turn.
Oh, thank you.
This one's going to be for me too. Let's see what you get.
Yes! We got pretzels.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean Pringles. We got Pringles.
Yeah, this one, the next one's for me. Okay, let's see here. Okay. I've got it. Ooh, money! Yay!
Oh, money. So cute. $20 bills.
Hey, look at this. Candy. Cool.
We also got Almond Joy. Do you guys know what Almond Joy is? I tried it before. I didn't really like it.
Anita, look.
Okay, guys. So this is all we got.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And also, do you like these?
Yeah. Do you guys like chips or not? We got dried organic mango.
Give me that. So let me see. Okay. We got that.
We got raisins.
Yeah, raisins.
We got cheddar.
Yeah.
We got some bacon. We got this. We got blue diamond almonds. This is just like a dark tanning, coconut oil. We got some smoothies.
I think it's mangoes.
And we got this. I think it's for a bracelet making. We got this. I think you could like put this on your bag.
Let me guess. It's a keychain, Evie.
Yep, it's a keychain. We got some pasta. I think this is pasta.
And look at this cat.
Yep. So
It's my favorite cat.
Yeah, it's nice and pink. And guess what? We also got a pink duck and a pink cone. We also got this cute fairy.
And it can fly. We can just tend.
We also got some Almond Joy candy. We also got some pretzels. I never tried pretzels before. Did you guys try pretzels? Got some money.
Yeah, money.
We also got some chicken nuggets. I love chicken nuggets.
Let's see if we can close
You
it.
can also close it.
And right now, I will close it.
Look how nice this is. We also got this, but I don't know how to build it. I think we'll just build it off camera. You guys might see it in a video or two. Which one is your guys' favorite? I'll say my favorite is the smoothie.
And my favorite is these two.
What is your guys' favorite?
Subscribe on our channel.
Yep, subscribe on our channel, please.
Yes. I hope you enjoyed our video.
Yep, I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Now I kind of want to test this out.
Please like and subscribe if you can.
Well, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, guys.